Okay, guys, so you should have finished this section 10 and then flip it over or turn it over if you've taken the staples out. And we are now on 12. The 12 is kind of got cut off while I was copying it, but we are on this one. And we're going to be doing 1 through 5 again. I'm going to be doing your read aloud for you right now, and you guys can answer the corresponding questions. So let's start. Number 1. What does a music conductor do at a concert? The conductor's hands and arms tell the musicians what to do. The right hand keeps the beat. At the same time, movements of the left hand might show the violins when to join in. Musicians watch to see when to play faster or more softly. Sometimes it looks as if the conductor's arms are about to take flight, but that is the special way the conductor creates a musical story. So what's the main idea? A. How a music conductor creates a musical story. B. Which of the conductor's hands keeps the beat? C. Why musicians watch the conductor? Or D. When the violins join in. So you're finding what the main idea is of the story, okay? Number 2. When Millard Fillmore was 19, he could hardly read or write. He lived on a farm. He spent more time working than going to school. But later he decided to return to school. Abigail Powers was Fillmore's teacher. They fell in love, and later they were married. Fillmore went on to become a teacher, a lawyer, and the President of the United States. So, what's the main idea? A. Fillmore never learned to read or write. B. Fillmore had a successful life. C. Fillmore taught Abigail Powers to read. Or D. Fillmore never married. Number 3. And remember, guys, you can always press the pause button or go back a little bit and listen if you need it reread to you again, okay? Number 3. In 1849, a map maker in Alaska was working on a map of the coastline. None of his maps showed a name for one of the capes. A cape is a point of land that juts out into the ocean. So he wrote name ? On the map and sent it to his map-making company in England. A worker at the map company thought the name had written Nome on the map. Since then, the city on that cape has been known as Nome, Alaska. So, what's the main idea of the story? A. How maps are made. B. How Nome, Alaska got its name. C. How the map maker traveled around Alaska. Or D. How Alaska got its name. Number 4. When Katherine Dunham was in college, she went to Haiti. There, she studied the country's native dances. When she returned to the United States, she formed a group of African American dancers. They traveled around the world, performing the native dances of different countries. Today, Dunham is recognized as one of the pioneers of African American dance. So, what is the main idea of the story? A. Dunham was from Haiti. B. Dunham was a pioneer in Haiti. C. Dunham was a pioneer in African American dance. Or D. Dunham studied the food of Haiti. Number 5. James Wright was trying to invent something to replace rubber. He put some acid into a test tube of oil. It produced something that bounced better than a rubber ball. It was stretchable and great fun. It was called Silly Putty and sold better than anything except crayons. So, what's the main idea of the story, guys? A, how James Wright invented rubber. B, why Silly Putty is sold in an egg-shaped box. C, how the first Silly Putty didn't bounce. Or D, how Silly Putty was invented. So that's the end of our language arts section, our lesson for today. I know you guys can do it. Just take your time. If you get frustrated, pause it, take a deep breath, and come back to it. You're just reading the sections and trying to find out what's the main purpose of this story. What is the author trying to tell us, okay? You guys can do it.